Hey everybody, welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. I am Ray O'Brien. I'm realizing that I have a lot of different liquors I have to review for you. Now, I got this idea. I'm not going to try to think of different cocktails to make like everybody else. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to take these different liquors, I'm going to taste it and give you a review for you, and then I will put it in a cocktail. Also, I want to try to make a little bit shorter videos, okay? Not everybody's got 10 or 12 minutes to watch the full videos. So what I want to do is I want to make a short video with this, and then I'll make another video after this, and I'll put it in a cocktail. So the first one that I want to try is Remy Martin 1738 Royal Accord Cognac. Okay? Now this Cognac I've seen online selling for like anywhere like almost $80 I've seen it selling for. I've seen it selling most places for like 60. When I was in a little store near me, I saw it for 50. I'm like, oh, that one's mine. Okay, so I bought it. You might also want to check out my last video about my haul at Woodman's. But this is Remy Martin 1738 Royal Accord. The reason they call it 1738 is because 1738 is when Louis XV, and for those of you who graduate high school, Louis the 15th, bestowed upon Remy Martin that he could plant an appellation of Grand Champagne grapes. Okay? So 1738, and this kind of is in the spirit of that. That's to commemorate that. So this is a fine Grand Cognac. It's actually 65% Grand Champagne grapes and 35% Petite Champagne grapes. Cognac is a brandy. Cognac region of France can be deemed a cognac. Okay? Now this cognac also is it's above VSOP, but lower than VO. It's in between. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a nice little cold brandy snifter glass out of my freezer in the back there and give it a taste. What do you say we get on that? Get on that, Ray! Let's do that. Okay, grab me a little mini brandy snifter out of my back fridge. Look at the frost in that baby. Okay, let's pour ourselves a little bit of this. Now that's also won double gold at the 2014 World Spirits Competition in San Francisco. You can mix it. You can enjoy it straight like this. I mean, I smell like fig. Oak, because it's aged in limousine oak barrels. So you smell the oak. Get to it, Ray. We don't want to hear what you smell. Just taste it. Okay? You want to kind of taste it a little bit different. You don't want to be sucking us down like you would like a drink or something. You want to savor this as a fine cognac that it is. Definite spices. Mild fig. So like I said, I'm going to make this into a drink. I really hope that you've subscribed to me, so that you're entitled to all the ones that are coming, and then you can go back and see all the ones that I've done already. And I really hope you comment and let me know how I'm doing. Because at the end of the day, my friends, you know the rest. It's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round.